Albert Einstein, a name synonymous with genius, revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Born in Germany in 1879, Einstein's insatiable curiosity and groundbreaking theories reshaped modern physics. From the behavior of light to the nature of gravity, his work continues to inspire awe. His ideas have permeated popular culture, making him a global icon. His iconic image with his unruly hair and thoughtful gaze symbolizes extraordinary intelligence. But Einstein was more than just a brilliant mind. He was a compassionate humanist advocating for peace and social justice. His life and work remind us that true genius lies in both intellectual prowess and empathy. In 1905, often dubbed Einstein's miracle year, he published a groundbreaking paper that earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. This paper explored the photoelectric effect. Scientists had observed that light shining on certain metals could cause electrons to be emitted, creating a current. However, classical physics couldn't fully explain this. Einstein proposed that light can act as tiny packets of energy called quanta, later known as photons. When a photon strikes a metal surface, it transfers its energy to an electron. If the photon carries enough energy, the electron is ejected. This idea challenged the wave theory of light and laid the foundation for quantum mechanics, impacting technologies like solar panels and digital cameras. In that same miraculous year of 1905, Einstein published another groundbreaking paper that changed our understanding of space, time, and gravity. This paper introduced his theory of special relativity. Special relativity rests on two postulates. The laws of physics are the same for all observers in uniform motion, and the speed of light in a vacuum is constant for all observers. These postulates led to mind-bending consequences. For example, time is relative to the observer's frame of reference. Another startling consequence is the famous equation E=mc2, establishing the equivalence of energy and mass. This concept later had profound implications for nuclear energy. In 1905, Einstein also published a paper on Brownian motion, named after botanist Robert Brown. Brown observed the random motion of pollen grains in water. Einstein explained this by theorizing that pollen grains were bombarded by invisible water molecules. By applying statistical mechanics, Einstein calculated the average distance a pollen grain would travel. His work provided compelling evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules. Einstein's work on Brownian motion solidified the atomic theory of matter. It also had significant implications for statistical mechanics and our understanding of microscopic particles and fluids. After the success of special relativity, Einstein embarked on developing a theory of gravity that could explain its effects in the context of space and time. This quest culminated in 1915 with the publication of his theory of general relativity. In general relativity, Einstein proposed that gravity is a curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. Imagine a bowling ball on a trampoline, causing the fabric to sag. This is analogous to how massive objects warp space-time. General relativity predicted phenomena like gravitational lensing and provided a framework for understanding the universe's evolution. It led to the development of cosmology as a science. Einstein's scientific contributions were monumental, but he was also a passionate advocate for peace and social justice. He abhorred war and spoke out against nationalism and the nuclear arms race. He believed in reason and dialogue to resolve conflicts and create a just world. Einstein's later years were marked by his quest for a unified field theory to unite all fundamental forces of nature. Despite his efforts, a complete unified field theory remained elusive. His pursuit of this ambition continues to inspire physicists today. Einstein's life and work remind us that true genius lies in both intellectual prowess and compassion, leaving an indelible mark on science and the world.